Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you're looking for staff engagement ideas that work. Well, my friend, you are in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Now, stick around to the end of the video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can use immediately. Today's tip: provide educational resources. Many of your employees are looking for ways to be better tomorrow than they are today. Training is an essential part of career development. Have a resource library and train your employees how to use it. Assign a certain topic or chapter to an employee that they can share at an upcoming meeting or training session. Educate your team members on the value of learning and sharing new ideas, and most importantly, teach them how to do it, because there are 4 levels of competence. The first is unconscious incompetence. This is when the employee doesn't know what they don't know. Then they move to conscious incompetence. At this point, the worker realizes that they lack the knowledge in a subject. Moving from there, they go to conscious competence. The employee is learning how to do the job, but they must think about it as they go along. And finally, we reach unconscious competence. The employee now knows the job so well that they no longer have to think about it to do it perfectly. By exposing your workers to new concepts, new ideas, and new ways of thinking, you will open them up to all kinds of possibilities for them to succeed. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement simply by clicking on the link in the description below. See you on the site.